Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 11 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to find the apps section. Let's enter. Now we have to tap on Manage Apps and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter Reset Up Preferences, and as you can see here, your device will inform you what it will actually reset. So it will reset the preferences for disabled apps and the notifications, default apps, and the background data restrictions for apps. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data in this whole operation, so just tap on Reset Apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your Redmi Note 11 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.